Hi guys, this is Shobik Mitra from High Tech Review, and today I'm gonna unboxing the Micromax Ninja 4. We just recently received this phone on Micromax. Quickly see the specification, what the phone gives you. The phone have 1 gigahertz processor. It's I don't know the what kind of processor is it, but this device have 200 GPU 200, so good for gaming. But this device does not provide very 512 MB of RAM or anything else. This device just have 256 MB of RAM, so this is a kind of disappointed from this device. But the display is very good display, and I'm gonna show you sometimes later. So now recently see the Android version is 2.3.5 gingerbread. Form factor is full touch. Dimension is 124 into 8 mm into 64 into 1.7 mm. Display touch size is 10.1 cm. Is just a 4 cm display. Brand mode GSM 900 WCDMA. It's a 3G speed up to 7.2 Mbps and uploading speed up to 5.76 Mbps. It's a 2 megapixel fixed focus camera. This is a disappointed. External memory expandable up to 32 GB. GPS connectivity Bluetooth 2.1, Wi-Fi, BGN, USB 2.0 sensor, gravity sensor. This device don't have the ambient light sensor. Battery 1400 milliampere battery, lithium battery. Talk time provide 5 hours. Have to based on testing or your network. So this is certified by Wi-Fi, Google Play Store and Android. And there is the main thing to buy this device. Hookup. This is a new app launching by Micromax, and this device price around 5990 in all the leading store in Kolkata, eZone and the Micromax store. So on and the mobile store, so you can buy this from anywhere in Kolkata, eZone or mobile store. This device is provided by eZone, so thanks eZone personally. So here is your Ninja 4. I'm gonna put aside for this, and now let's check what the other thing that in the box provided. This is the basic charger from Micromax. No improvement in the charger. I wanna kindly see you this. You can see this how many other ones say the charger is new one, but I don't think the charger is new one. This is a basic charger from Micromax, which is provided all device from the Android series except A100 or A90. This is a typical data cable from mini USB to micro USB for data syncing and charging. This is the basic pathetic standard headphone from Micromax. Go and replace this or throw this out anyway. This headphone sound very bad. No bass effect come from this headphone. This is a basic headphone from Micromax. Forget this, guys. This thing to pull out your screen protector, so that means you have a screen protector free with this device. This is a hookup booklet, Micromax user guide, warranty certificate. I'm gonna miss the screen protector. This is the screen protector free from Micromax for this device. This is very good symbol. So I'll quickly put this side from this and kindly look for the mobile. I just inserted the battery for checking. So right now I'm gonna power on the device. So this is the first boot. Kindly wait and be patient, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Here is the typical lock screen from Gingerbread. Let's check the hardware of this device. There is your 2 megapixel fixed focus camera. There is your Micromax logo. There is the loudspeaker. The loudspeaker not sound very well. There is your charging port and data syncing port, and there is a tiny hole for microphone. no secondary microphone provided. There is your 3.5 mm headphone jack. No secondary microphone for noise cancellation. There is your sound receiver, and here is the lock and unlock or power button, and here is the volume rocker. Nothing in this side. The finish is very good. So let's go through the device itself. So there is a basic lock screen. Look at the display, guys. This device have a beautiful display. Look at the display. I'm going to quickly put a live wallpaper to show you the display resolution. Very good touch screen from Micromax. I'm quickly show you the RAM and the storage, inbuilt storage of this device. So this device don't have any kind of ambient light sensor. There is the brightness which I control from here. Battery. So here is your internal storage, 59 MB used from the company and 126 MB of free internal storage. So I'm just quickly check the RAM. 90 plus 42, so only 132 MB of RAM. This is a very bad thing for a smartphone. You can't run big size of game. They were crashed at the first hour of this game was starting. I'm quickly jump into the Android version. This device has 2.3.5 gingerbread Android version. The hardware specification, something else of this device. So I'm quickly play a video for you guys. So kindly patient. Here is my favorite video.
तेरी आंखों की नमकीन मस्तियां, तेरी हंसी की बेपरवाह गुस्ताखियां, तेरी जुल्फों की लहराती अंगड़ाइयां, नहीं भूलूंगा मैं जब तक है जान, जब तक है जान।
The loudspeaker is very pathetic, guys. And check this device. The loudspeaker is really pathetic loudspeaker. You can also play music and see the loudspeaker is very bad. I'm going to quickly jump into the browser to see the browser experience. Right now I'm using the Airtel 2G connection, so there is little so slow. Which one? The browser is pretty fast for because although I'm using the 3G connection, the browser is not so slow. The browser is very fast, and the bounce effect is there, very nice. This effect from Micromax, the bounce back effect. You can see this, the bounce back effect from Micromax. So I'm going to quickly jump into the camera and see how the camera looks like. So here is the camera, basic camera. Not bad at all, guys. It's 2 megapixel camera, fixed focus camera. This is not a bad camera at all. So it's a video mode also. It will jump into the video. The video mode, seeing the video some kind of washed out, so video is not so very clear, but the camera effect is very good. So That's the thing. You have the FM radio hookup at. I kindly visit my channel to see the details of hookup app. So there is guys Micromax Ninja 4, and kindly visit my channel for gaming review and also the hardware specification review and any many other unboxing. So please subscribe my channel and visit it. Thank you.